Hello students, hope that you are fine. Welcome to my geography video tutorial of 10th standard. Today my topic is agro-based industries. In between agro-based industries we will discuss today about sugar industry. Agro-based industries, you know that the industries that have agriculture produce as raw materials are known as agro-based industries. So today we will discuss about sugar industry. Sugar industry, India is the second largest producer of sugar just after Brazil. Means Brazil is the first and India is the second position. And in industry, first is cotton industry, then second is that takes place that sugar industry. Now let's see in sugar industry which places are there sugar industries are found. That is sugar industry generally found in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. In Uttar Pradesh, which area we have found, that is Gorakhpur, Lakshmipur, Sitarpur, Lucknow, Kanpur, Meerut. And Bihar, in Bihar there are Darbhanga, Muzaffarpur. These places generally the concentration of sugar industries are there. So sugar industries generally found UP and Bihar. Other why? That one is the main. We will see now what are the reasons. First, we can say that is fertile northern plains and with heavy rainfall is very suitable for the growth of the sugar. So this area is found in the northern area, and northern area you know that so many perennial rivers, that is Ganga and its tributaries are there which are perennial, so supply of water and also that heavy huge rainfall is suitable for the sugarcane. Secondly, we can say that the irrigation facility is also suitable because that the perennial rivers are there as perennial rivers, so that is continuous supply of water. Thirdly, we can say that this is densely populated region. Densely populated why? Because so many transportation facilities, fertile soil for agriculture. So people positively will live there. So densely populated, and as it is densely populated, so cheap power supply and huge markets are also available. Thirdly, we can say water supply for the washing is also available, and power supply is also available, and also that the transport system by rail, roads and that the river transport. So because of this reason, this area is mainly concentrated in the sugar industry, sugar growing states. Now other states are also there, that is West Bengal, Punjab, Haryana and Madhya Pradesh. Now let's see that, but you see that there is a tendency to going towards the South India, towards the northern side, northern India towards the south. Why? Means now we will see that the reasons for migrating the sugar industry towards the south. What are the reasons? Number one, that the production period is longer in the South India because this is under tropical zone. So tropical zone as it is, so there is that the Lu, which one is we have seen in these two places, that one we are not getting. So means free from summer Lu. Then secondly we can say that the black soil, these places are generally black soil. Black soil is also suitable for the growing of sugar, and which is better than the alluvial soil because these areas are volcanic soil, means black soils are found. After that, the third is the most important, that is sucrose content. Sucrose is, you know that I have already told, within 24 hours after cutting the sugar cane, immediately have to reach to the sugar to the sugar mill. Otherwise, the sucrose content will deteriorate. And if the sucrose content will deteriorate, then what will happen? That the sweetness, means its quality will deteriorate. That's why that sucrose content in the sugar cane of South India is also comparatively higher. Fourthly, we can say that the crushing season for the sugarcane is much longer in the South India than the northern India. And the the cooperative mills of South India are better managed than the private sector mills of the North India. And then sixth one, we can say that the major factories are located in the South India, near the fields in the South India. So loss of sugarcane content due to transportation is minimum. So we can that there is a tendency to migrate towards the south. Moreover, the sugar lobby in Maharashtra, You know that the Maharashtra is the capital investment, Mumbai is there, so that huge capital investment, and so people can get maximum in returns. If for this reason, we have seen that the sugar industry are migrating tendency towards the south. Now let's see that is the what are the products and byproducts. Products two, that is jaggery and brown sugar are the products of sugar, and byproducts, that is bagasse, molasses and press mud. Bagasse is what? They are a leftover sugar cane after crushing. They are used for the manufacture of paper, insulation board and cardboard, and it is also used for the fuel of sugar. Then molasses is a dark colored syrup, and it is used for the plastic, synthetic paper, then synthetic paper, that synthetic rubber, then chemicals, alcohol, rum, fertilizers and cattle feed. And third one we can say that is press mud. Press mud is utilized for the mainly for making wax, carbon paper and shoe polish. So I have completed my video up to this. Next video I will discuss about the problems of the sugarcane. So hope that it will be helpful for you for sugarcane industry, to learn the sugarcane industry. Thank you everyone, and read and learn this. Then I think once again it will helpful for you. Thank you.